Once upon a time, nestled in the sparkling Caribbean Sea, there is a land known as Jamaica, a place where nature's beauty and spiritual magic intertwine to create a realm of the divine. Long ago, the island was believed to be a sacred gift from the gods, a paradise blessed with lush mountains, vibrant rainforests, and crystal-clear waters. It was said that the spirits of the ancestors watched over the land, whispering ancient secrets through the rustling leaves and crashing waves. In a small village nestled at the foot of the Blue Mountains, lived a young girl named Babes. She was known for her kind heart and deep connection to the spiritual world. Every morning, Babes would climb the mountain trails to a sacred grove where elders believed the divine resided. There, she would offer fruits and herbs, praying for harmony and protection for her people. One day, a great storm threatened to destroy the island. Dark clouds gathered, and fierce winds howled like ancestral spirits angry at the imbalance of nature. The villagers were frightened, unsure of what to do. Babes, feeling the call of the divine within her, journeyed to the sacred grove to seek guidance. In the heart of the forest, she saw a radiant figure shimmering like sunlight through leaves, a guardian spirit of Jamaica, known as Anansi the Wise. Anansi appeared as a majestic spider with shimmering gold threads woven into his web, symbolizing knowledge and connection. He spoke softly, "Jamaica's spirit is strong, but she needs the people to honor her sacred balance. Together, with respect for nature and each other, the storm shall pass." Inspired by Anansi's words, Babes returned to her village with a renewed sense of purpose. She led her people in ceremonies that celebrated the land, sang songs passed down from ancestors, and danced in gratitude for their island's divine blessings. As they honored the sacred, the storm began to subside, the clouds parting to reveal a brilliant rainbow, a bridge between the heavens and the earth. From that day forward, the people of Jamaica understood that their island was a realm of the divine, a place where spirits and humans coexisted in harmony. They continued to cherish their land, their traditions, and their spiritual connection, ensuring that Jamaica remained a sacred haven, a true realm of the divine. And so, the spirit of Jamaica lives on, vibrant and eternal, a testament to the divine magic woven into its very soul.